Here's a 2009 Cadillac CTS. Exceptional elegance and masterfully crafted, this CTS amplifies your driving experience. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, front heated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, first and second row express open sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, auxiliary audio input, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.